In today's video, I am making cast iron pizza. This is with a sheet pan. I want to show you how easy it is to make this. This would feed a lot of people. This comes together quick. Let me show you how I put it together. But first, I want to show you the bottom of this crust. Doesn't that look delicious? And you can make this at home. But first, I want to show you this pan. This is a Lodge that I bought, and I really have loved it. The first ones that I've bought, like the pans, we've had to take the coating off the bottom of them, like where the surface is. But this one, you do not need to take the coating off at all. I didn't believe it did anyway. It seems to work just perfect the way it is. Now I'm going to take some oil and I'm going to put on this pan. We're going to start with that. I've already got my dough sitting over there waiting. I'm going to go ahead and get this oiled. I think on my channel there is a video showing how I make this. I need to go relook and see if it is there. If it's not, I will show how I make it. But this is a recipe I've been using for years. It comes out perfect every time. When you find something that works this good, you just stick with it. And I love recipes like that. I'm going to go ahead and get this spread out and put on the pan. That looks good. Time to put the pizza together. Now I'm just going to take the fork, and I don't need a ton of holes, but I do want to put a few in. Now I'm going to put my homemade pizza sauce on. I will have a video coming up on how I make this. We love this. This is another one of our recipes we use over and over again. And then I'm going to go ahead and start building it. You could put whatever you wanted on this. You could do just a cheese pizza, just a pepperoni and cheese. I'm putting all my favorites on today. I didn't have any sausage, so there's no sausage today. First will come the onions. I'm going to put green olives on next. Now some green pepper that I just picked from the garden, which is, I love to have that just out there where I can just grab them when I need them. I know a lot of people like the pepperoni to be the last thing to go on, but I like to put it on and then cover it a little bit with a cheese or a lot of it. I feel like it protects the pepperoni. Now I'm just going to go ahead and grab the mozzarella. This is the mozzarella that I had frozen in the freezer. That's another handy thing to have just waiting for you. That looks good. I forgot to mention at the beginning, I did have my oven set at 450 degrees. I don't usually time exactly how long it's going to be in there. I just wait for the top to get nice and brown. And here I am just sprinkling some pepper over the top. And now the oven is 450 degrees and in it goes. I just wanted to show a couple pictures of it baking. I opened the door video just a little bit so you can see how it melts, how the cheese starts to get brown. Now the top is done, but the bottom isn't quite done. So what I'm going to do is turn the burner on, and I'm just going to play with this, and I'm going to watch the bottom, get that nice and hot. And after I check it and see that the bottom is brown, I'll move it over to a cooling rack for a few minutes and let it cool. Now I'm just going to slip it out on the cutting board. And now it is time to try a piece. This looks delicious. I love that I can just make pizza at home and I don't have to go anywhere to get it. If you like the bottom of your crust darker than this, you can always leave it on longer. We like it just like that, golden brown. If you enjoyed this video today, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.